Okay guys, malapit ko nang sundayin si Marvy. Nasa district na ako. Nandun na sila a bit pa. Taas. Pero, ayun. They're here! Say hi to my vlog! Hi, Gid! Hi, Marvy!
Hi! So, we're off to...
Oh my God! Manila!
I'm with Gideon Ribong. And I'm Marvy Prado. And this is Sophia Margaret Boter from... Punta kaming Dangwa, guys. May kasama na ako this time. At yung kasama ko, marunong mag-commute. Yay!
Hey guys! Thank you, Marvy, for taking over my vlog. Okay, so medyo madilim siya right now. So, kakapark ko lang dito sa Maax. Kasi, diretso arena na ito mamaya. Ayun. Dito.
I think we should buy cards.
Oh, you want to? Try natin. Wait. There's the ticket.
Magkano yung jeep kanina?
Yeah. So, dito tayo sa to Fernando Poe Jr. kasi ito yung northbound. Pag dito, Dr. Santos, yun yung papunta sa Las Piñas. This is to pa-northbound. I researched. Oh, nag-picture pa, sige. Hello. I can sit down here. Yes. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. We're now baba. Kaya do. Finally. Tama na. Tago muna kita. Okay, so hi guys. We're in Toronto now. And natakot kasi ako maglabas ng camera kanina. So ngayon lang nakapaglabas. Nasa Ongping kami. Somewhere over the rainbow. Yes. Doon kami sa Beyond the Church pumasok. Kaya layo ang nilakad namin Nagtanong ako kanina kung nasan yung fried siopaw. Sa nagbibenta ng fried siopaw. Yung Shanghai fried siopaw.
Magkano, Sen? She's buying siopaw as of now. Say hi. Kita mo ba yung Power Max Center na yan? Pikon na ako
It's okay. It's okay.
Anyway, meron akong laptop.
Yeah, you have a laptop. You're fine. That's good.
This is my live reaction to the Shanghai fried
Kasi I'm trying to save my tummy kapag mag-restaurant na.
How was it?
I understand why it's very highly rated. Yeah.
Describe the texture.
Very soft. Very chewy. The bun is very chewy.
Oh, thank you.
Damn.
I'm good, I'm good. You can have it. Thank you.
Later. May ako siya ubusin.
Tago ko na ulit camera ko. Okay, we're gonna eat some custard now. Yum, 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 yum. One, two. It's so good. Yep. Arte akong tao. Pero wow. Later. I'll come back later. Third floor. Ilahin mga girls. What? Atugtugan. Ano ba? French chow lang to. This pa rin hanggang Binondo. Ah, see?
Dirty match.
Ano? What the heck? Mali sa sila.
Dirty match, guys.
Which one? Ano to? Parang... No, akin muna. Boom!
1. Smile. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Retake the photos.
Guys, I got them all to try this coffee. What are your thoughts? Thank you.
It's very good.
I know, I know. Magdadako tayo, may pipit tayo egg tart custard.
Magtatangwa kami ng maraming dala. Carry lang. I mean, this is a carry. Oh, gusto ko na makita si Corinne.
Okay, we're gonna go back. Miss Madam. May sabi ko sa Jante. 2%. Bilis naman malubat. We're in down. Oh my god, so bright. Wait.
Can you
We're in Dangwa. Hello, I want picture there also.
Doon na lang.
Okay.
Phones down.
Screenshot ko to mamaya, picture tayo. We're in Manila Flower Center, Dangwa! Oh, take a picture. Wait lang. Oh my god. Oh my god. Time to make the flowers. 4x2 na naman to. Guys, look at our flowers. My god.
Oh God. Wait, one sec.
Oh, we haven't met in so long. We arranged it sa gilid ng Dangwa.
Somewhere there.
Like, sa eskinita, tapos nakaupo lang kami sa gilid. Tapos nakagano kami na nagwago. Nakikiano pa kami sa motor na. Papay. Papay.
I will miss you so much.
Okay guys, we're on the way to Momo again.
I'm so sad.
Hi!
Mag-vlog ka na lang.
Okay. Ayaw nila kong pagbitbitin ng flower, so nagvo-vlog ako now. Power bank na naman.
Shout out.
Naghanap kami ng food. Nasa ano na kami? 4x2 na naman. guys. Hey guys, so I said my final goodbyes kina Marvy and Gideon. Tapos papunta na ako mga arena. They went home na and I'm gonna go to the concert. I have 19% on my GoPro and 18% sa phone ko, and I think my power bank ran out of battery. So, it's just me. Just me. Bye! Wow. I'm inside.